James Hardie siding does a great job with energy efficiency, partly because of the way that the whole system gets installed. Putting the weather barrier on your house, taping all the seams, flashing tape around all the windows and doors and any of the cavities where air might infiltrate, we're sealing all those up. And the fact that Hardie installs tight to the wall, meaning all of the planks, they get nailed 1 inch through the substrate and 1 inch penetration into the stud. So it's a nice tight sealed system with flashing behind all the seams, so you don't get that cold air that passes through. So yes, you do get better efficiency and better performance, both from an energy level and water management system. Well, Hardie does very well in extreme weather, and it's actually the only siding product in the country that's designed specifically for what climate we live in. So they've designed it in 2 different ways. So they have HZ5, which is the northern region. That's where St. Louis sits because we get so much of the freeze-thaw cycles throughout the winter. So there are special additives in James Hardie's product that comes into St. Louis to handle those extreme weather changes, versus the south that has the HZ10, which isn't really designed for all those freeze-thaw cycles. So I think it's actually pretty intuitive that Hardie designs it for climate. And so that's where we feel very comfortable putting Hardie products on the homes in St. Louis, knowing that it can handle the extreme cold in the winter, the extreme heat in the summer, as well as the humidity, all the rainfall, and the freeze-thaw cycles. I think Hardie can help reduce heating and cooling bills just from the perspective of getting the home more airtight. A lot of the homes we work on, especially the older homes, have a lot of air leakage that homeowners may not even know. I mean, they may feel some of the draftiness, but we're gonna seal up all those cavities around the windows and doors and the house itself very airtight. If you really wanna take it a step further, looking at energy efficient replacement windows, as well as attic insulation, in-wall injections for insulation can really make your home super energy efficient. But if you're just looking to replace the siding, you know, Hardie does a pretty good job of sealing up all those air gaps that the house may have. So it can do a very good job for that.